Hello everyone, I am Chandravel. I am pursuing my third year engineering in SNS College of Engineering. I am going to tell about the artificial engineering in mechanical engineering, a case study of autonomous cars. I choose to explain the model of car is Hyundai Venue. Introduction: 10 millions of autonomous vehicles will hit the roads by 2020. In 10 years of fully autonomous vehicles will be turned in north. AVS will generate a $70 million trillion annual revenue stream by 2015. Widespread adoption of AVS could lead to a 90% reductions in vehicle crashes. History of autonomous vehicle. In 1948, introductions of cruise controls. In 1999, FCC allocated 75 MHz of spectrums of dedicated short-range communications. In 2007, terms conditions vehicles of self-navigation of 60 miles course as apart drop grand changes. In 2009, Google began self-driving car projector. In 2012, Google's autonomous car passes a 14 miles driving test in Nevada. In 2013, Mercedes and Infiniti produced cars which race sense and some autonomous drives features. In 2013, NHTSA released initial policy on autonomous vehicle. In 2015, Tesla released its autopilot self-driving mode. In 2015, as same as Uber has 40 Cameron millions robotic researchers to work on autonomous vehicle. Ford begins testing its self-driving cars in CA, AZ and MI. In 2016, major equipment and partnerships and courses. Autonomous GM and Lyft, Tata and Toyota and Saybridge Robotics, Uber and Volvo. In 2007, NHTSA issues reserves safety guidelines for the autonomous vehicles. Basic physical ecosystems of autonomous vehicles. Global position systems, GPS, light destinations and ranging, cameras, ultrasonic sensors, controls computers, radar sensor, dedication short range communications based receiver. Honda Venue is one such premium sedan cars in India. Indian offers a large venture choose to the buyer for power engine and future wise. Honda Motors Limited offered to all the new Honda Venue in 2 petrol engines and 2 diesel engines tanked for power twice. Power engines of a car is available in 1.4 liters and 1.6 liters tank while diesel mode also has the same trims. Beside that, the current cars makes has offers automatically transmitted systems in 1.6 liter engines on both petrol and diesel modes which increase customers' choice of good level. Hyundai Venue 1.6 VTVS SXO at comes loading with 1.6 VTVC petrol engines makes peak power of around 123 per hours of 3600 rpm and a mass torque of around 1.8 at 4200 rpm. It has fuel economic of 2.5 kilometers in city and 1.4 km per hour on highways. Meanwhile, Honda Venue Fluid 1.6 CRDIs SXO at features of 1.6 liters CRDI engines, diesel engines which counts out of maximum power of 128 pass at 4000 rpm and an Amurk arc of 2.65 at 2075 rpm. Hyundai Venue autonomous mileage of diesel version is goods like 1.5 km per hour in street and 1.8 km per hour in long roads. The company offers this atomic transmission systems in top-end variant of petrol and diesel modes of Hyundai Venue fluids. Hyundai Venue automatic features on both variant, which has been offered as standard by a company, are eco driving indicators, leather abstract speed sensing, door lock, fuel diesel and certain algebra, alloy wheel, electric chromo IRVS, review rear view camera and real view camera with display, multifunction steering wheels, real parking sensors, ABS with EDB, etc. Overall, Hyundai Venue has been good choice of various variety seeks in premium segment sedan, which have offered something Amazons to them. Along with Hyundai Venue, the available Hyundai cars modes in India with 80 options are Hyundai i10, Hyundai i20, Hyundai Sonata transmissions and Hyundai Santa Fe, with remakes good sales response for buyer. Hyundai Venue Autonomic in an ideal to automatic sedan car seeks in both petrol and diesel engines model. Hyundai Venue Autonomic Peak is too good both petrol and diesel models. Hyundai Venue has automatic transmission systems in 1.6 VTVS variant of petrol model and 1.6 CRDIS variant of diesel engine. Petrol at variant of based common at the 1 kilometer rupees 9.69 lakhs, while diesel at variant it available at rupees 1180 10.8 lakhs at ex-showroom Delhi. Ex-showrooms in Delhi. Hyundai Venue Automatic in an ideal to automatic sedan cars seeks on both petrol and diesel engines. Hyundai Venue Automatic price is too good on both petrol and diesel engines. Hyundai Venue has automatic transmission systems in 1.6 VTVS variant of petrol model and 1.6 course variant of diesel model. Petrol at variant of best common at rupees 9.69 lakhs, while diesel at variant available at rupees 10.85 lakhs at ex-showroom in Delhi. The problem: it is a problem to long deliver products to customers. Why? The first problems the facing the company is based on there are too many orders backlogged in the systems. We could not skip particular orders of among 3 weeks, almost 3 weeks. We were out of the specific of equipment on the order. We has the material storage on the components. We have only one single course of compounds and the supplier could not deliver the components. These are the problems. Thank you. This is the overall explanation of artificial. Thank you. These are the explanation of artificial intelligence. Thank you.